Today is day 25th of March. After the first weekend of spring, we already started receiving a number of shot birds over this weekend, which were found by members of the public. The first one we have here is male common kestrel, which was recovered from Birgu on Saturday. It was found by a member of the public, and the bird has an injury to the left wing. It appears to be shot. And also we have a Scopolis shearwater, which was recovered from Marsa Scala on Sunday morning. As you can see, the bird has the wing completely blasted off. This bird was found swimming amongst boats in Marsa Scala, so obviously it was shot out offshore at sea and managed to swim in, and then was rescued by members of the public in the bay. And also yesterday we received this marsh harrier, which was recovered from the Fara area in Gozo, and the bird has an injury to the right wing. It was found running on the ground, and of course it couldn't fly with this injury. These are the first 3 birds that we are getting since the start of spring, and although the season is closed, we are already getting the first signs of illegal hunting.